Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Rubino from the Rubino OBGYN group on another segment of Ask Your Doctors. And today's topic is the HPV vaccine. What is it? Who should get it? And is it safe? And the answer is relatively straightforward. I think the HPV vaccine should be given to any woman under the age of 45. That's a relatively new recommendation. It used to be age 26 or less. But it has now been expanded because the protection has been shown to be more widespread than initially thought. A lot of moms or dads will ask, well, if she's not sexually active, does she really need it? Well, the answer is that's the best time, because before they become sexually active, it's one shot and then another shot in 2 months and then a third shot at 6 months. And what that does is build immunity to the most common HPV viruses that are out there. There's a total of 14 of the high-risk viruses. The current vaccine covers 9 of them. And to give perspective, the HPV vaccine will be to cervical cancer what the polio vaccine was to polio. Over several generations, it's believed that cervical cancer will be wiped out in industrialized nations. Now, that's a big statement, but I believe it to be true if we can get the compliance with patients to get the vaccine. So there's still a lot of work to be done, but the HPV vaccine is safe, it's quite effective, and we're already seeing a reduce in major cervical abnormalities since its inception about 10 years ago. So it's best to get it in young women before they're sexually active, as previously stated. But even if you've had an exposure and you've been sexually active or have HPV already, it is still worthwhile to get the vaccine. And I expect in the future there'll be more data coming out expanding the timeline in which women can get it. But it is safe, it's effective, and I believe all young women and young men should be able to get it. I'm Dr. Robert Rubino for the Ask Your Doctor segment. Please visit us on YouTube or Facebook. And remember, if you're age 40 and over, please make an appointment for a checkup and a mammogram at our West Orange office.